Okay, we're watching
Secrets of the Nigger. Secrets of the Dead.
Secrets of the Fucking Dead.
We're at
My house.
Devin's house. He's making some pizza.
Some pizza.
There's Sean, me. I promised you guys we're gonna make 2 bonus videos just for the fuck of
This
it.
isn't gonna count as one of them since this isn't like a game video.
Well, we can count it. It's just any video though.
I know. Watch us eat pizza if you want.
Hey, go back to that one video or that one.
Oh yeah, we were fucking watching a terrorist goddamn channel.
And it's the Spanish channel. I mean, look at this. Hold on,
okay, look.
We got Bin Laden. Oh, they're gone. I said his name. Okay, I found him. There's Bin Laden. Look at us, goddammit.
There's Jesus.
There's Bin Laden.
Look at the long hair.
There's Jesus. And then there's Bin Laden's son.
There's Hitler. That's us three.
Okay, Bud's the whitest one.
That's fair enough.
I'm Bin Laden.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sean, no, you do it. You both do it. You both do it. Start doing the yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Look. We're still talking. Look.
No bueno, punto majaro. Let's go back to the Secrets of the Fucking Dead. Oh yeah. Okay, there's word girl. Hold on. There's word girl.
Scanning.
Scanning. Ah! I don't give a shit. Okay, we're all gonna die. It's not going.
There's a nuke.
Oh, what the fuck is that? I'm getting
Fuck out of here. Slender.
The fucking my camera was upside down. Pizza! It's Slender. He's on TV.
You guys want some tea?
I want some pee.
You want some what?
Sure. What the hell is this shit?
You say you wanted candy?
Yeah.
You can have some of my candy. Yeah! You sick. Eat it. Eat my candy.
Get back.
Hey,
Whoa! Look! Look at Slender.
eat it.
Quit it! I'm recording. Nigga.
Slap you in the face. Slimy.
Look! What the hell's going on? It went to 3 different fucking channels. Yeah, I went to World Girl. Or
World girl. Yeah, what the fat ass bitch. Fat ass bitch.
Thanks, Michelle Obama.
Hey,
Ah!
playing chips.
It's a bomb.
He done did.
No, I didn't. It looks like we're fucking playing a video game.
Yeah, but
The guy had no fucking head.
he said this motherfucker.
The guy like the thing. Look, watch. Look at this. Watch. Woo!
That's just
Oh, I love this stuff.
Right,
Look, the fucking tire's gone. Oh no, backwards. Where the fuck did your car go?
what the fuck? No signal. Goddamn, Southern man, they might.
I swear to God, that fucking bill. What the fuck? Oh, it's Slender.
They're at the pyramid of Slender, man.
Look, it's.
The Grudge.
Hold on.
Hey, they're at the pyramid where the hell they found the Grudge.
Found it right in your pizza.
woohoo!
Woohoo!
Of Auschwitz.
Of Alcatraz.
Alcatraz. Up your ass.
Up your ass.
You want to say that, man? Say that Alcatraz.
Oh, it's cold! Look at that nigga. My pizza. The sauce.
He said the sauce.
What the hell? Touch the wall and it fucking...
Slender Man
He touched the
stop.
fucking wall and he switched the channel.
Oh, shit. Thanks.
Thanks, pizza.
Shit.
Look at this. He's touching the wall and he's
Oh, damn.
fucking rendering it.
That's good.
Slender. What the fuck is that? Tuca Shamala AV. There's a fucking dog. Fuck you doing over there? Look at this. Shit's like fake as hell. Look, there's a... Is he Australian?
Maybe.
Fucking Slender.
It could be fucking Puerto Rican.
Puerto Rican Slender.
Yep.
You touch that wall again, you're gonna... God damn it, why are you touching the wall?
Put your fucking hands up.
Ah!
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Come on, don't.
Come on.
Come on, stop.
Put it on YouTube.
This is exactly why I didn't want to come over, because you're gonna do this stuff.
This gecko.
Wow, Devin.
Oh, my.
That was loud. Fucker.
Damn. I know. Doing it. I'm fucking shooting my toe. Ow!
Oh. I think we're on a commercial or on... Oh, whoa!
What the fuck? That was
Dude, the fucking people are like running. Look at this, Devin.
some shit right there.
I'm going fishing.
Not if I've been having him licking. He got fish at the end.
Hold on, let me zoom it out.
Woo!
Woo!
Did you get a hold of my gun?
Yeah, I did. Touch that wall. Yeah, it is in for your fucking journey. Slender's gonna get you. Uh oh, he's
Oh,
at a tube
shit.
soon. Look, 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 look. It's a zombie.
That's Slender.
Oh, come on, let's get to the best part. Woo! What is that? Oh, I thought it was a...
What the fuck?
You want some of that sauce and chips? Go ahead. I'm gonna have some. What the hell are you doing? What's in
I'm
there?
not made, so.
I gotta get a little wet before
What the hell is it? What?
It's Slender.
His hands moving.
What the fuck is
Fucking
it?
zombie, man. That was a fake ass shit. Looks like.
Nah. Might be, but it's like... I don't know. Tornado. Bleh.
Oh hell no.
Fuck.
What? Look at this shit. Everyone doing do-rags. Hell no.
Terrorist channel! Devin! What are you doing?
You missed a Latin on there. Bin Laden.
Bin Laden.
What?
Ah! Quick! Ah, dude.
Look, I win.
Oh, hell no. Oh! Ow! You took my legs off. That would suck. It would.
Oh, see, you made the fucking TV render!
Cupcakes?
Cupcakes?
Nope.
Damn, but the big ass.
Look, he's got fucking Slender hair! Even though Slender's bald.
What?
Isn't Slender bald? I see the red light.
The bug.
You're making it Quit! There's like a nigger on TV.
Where'd that light
I mean
come
soap.
from?
Sorry. I don't know.
I don't either.
Quit it! You're making Slender pissed.
Come on,
You're tickling his asshole.
I know it's working so far. Hitler.
Headshot.
He's coming down. He's coming down to take his facts.
The fuck is that?
Now that is something we're saying hi.
Yeah.
What the?
Ha ha ha. Dude, that's fucking bright. Look at cop sirens. Wee woo. Drug bust.
I want to see this.
Do it again.
Hold on.
Dude, that's like fucking with the camera. Alright, come here guys, well I'll go to group up and we'll end the video. Ding!
Damn. That's what you call shut the child.
That's a little.
We'll get your
Rusty.
shit.
It's a little burnt, like rust member.
We'll get your shit.
Alright.
Still good enough.
Alright, put the pizza peachy down.
Pizza!
Oh.
Pizza, pizza, pizza!
Alright, put it down and we'll come over here and it's not gonna make any sound. What the hell?
What the hell? That's talking! No, I'm trying. The mic here. The mic. No, not you. Oh my god.
That's so fucked up.
Fucking talking!
Alright, come on, Dom. Come over here. Fuck the pizza for a second.
Fuck the pizza.
I didn't mean literally.
Oh, hold on.
Oh god, he's grinding it up. Pizzas of the dead.
He's chopping a zombie's head off right now.
That's a big fucking head. Ha!
It's the boomer.
It's a pizza ring.
Oh my god, he's killing
Look, it actually looks like a fucking Slender Forest, too. What the hell? No! Rage quit!
He quit on him too. Since you left it.
What the f- Get your ass back here! Oh no, pbs.org, fuck that! You gotta get a new Xbox Live account, you really do.
New Xbox Live account.
Wasn't talking about you!
I'm gonna say it was one account for now anyway. Because he's black. Exactly.
Can't afford a fucking little one. You guys like watching me cut a fucking pizza, don't you?
Yeah, it just like thrives.
Exactly.
Does it make you horny?
Maybe.
Oh!
Alright, come on. Yeah!
Tomahawk.
Alright, come here.
I am pizza. How may I help you?
Alright, well, we'll catch you guys later. Just
Hold on. They gotta watch us have each a piece of pizza.
What?
Grab your piece of pizza.
Oh,
I want this piece.
I want this peachy.
They're not burnt. So.
Hot!
it's Hitler hot.
Alright, we gotta get it when we're all biting it up.
Alright, well, we'll catch you guys later.
Ow.